Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which was launched by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh virtually on December 13, Ordnance Factory Medak organized a public exhibition for infantry combat vehicles, which is as part of the 75 years of Indian independence. The infantry combat vehicles, which were showcased by the Ordnance Factory Medak, were Armored Engineer Reconnaissance Vehicle, the Sarath vehicle, and Mine Protected Vehicle and its different variants. Just like the main Battle Tank Expo, which has been organized at Avadi, Chennai, even this infantry combat vehicles exhibition is open to the public till 19th December 2021, and students have been especially encouraged to visit this particular display. The good news for the Indian Army is that the Ordnance Factory Medak is developing two modern command and control vehicles for both the artillery and infantry wings of the Indian Army. It is said that the command control post tracked vehicle of the artillery wings is already undergoing trials and is likely to be inducted within a few months. The command combat vehicle for the infantry wings is also in developing stage. Even a special armed vehicle track, Night Recovery, is also being developed for the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers Wing. According to the senior personnel of this factory, their aim is for more indigenization, which will allow the country to go in for exports, putting a halt to all imports in this particular sector. All this is really a good news for the various divisions of the Indian Army, and once these vehicles are inducted into their arsenal, it will give a major boost to the respective teams. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.